Hi guys, welcome to Unbox John. Today I'm gonna unbox and review Pro Biker bike riding gloves. So let's get started. This is the packaging. I ordered it from Amazon. It says double XL and 699 rupees. So let's have a quick look and open it. The packaging is decent, not very creative or colorful. So here are the gloves, a pair of gloves. Looks okay, looks decent. Have little padding over here. The knuckle protector look good. Pro Biker logo everywhere. There's too much of branding on the glove. Velcro tighten your glove. There are padding on fingers also, which is pretty good. Rubber padding. Looks okay, looks decent in this price. Let's wear it and test. Yes, I can feel pressure. The glove is all tightened. I can feel pressure on my knuckles. Double XL size. I ordered double XL size, but it is small for my hand. My hand is 20 centimeters from this point to the end of my palm. It's 20 centimeters, and double XL size is a little small. If your hand is 20 centimeters like mine, then you should choose bigger one. So double XL size is pretty small for my hand, 20 centimeters. My hand runs 20 centimeters from top to bottom. For the price, I bought it for 349 rupees. Pretty good product, but not for my hand. Thank you.